Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. And guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it because you will keep on getting the updates from the expert advisors that I am providing to my subscribers, and moreover, you will be able to get the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, guys, I have received some of the emails from my subscribers who were willing to know about the profit ratio of of this expert advisor that I have already posted a video on the YouTube. So, guys, basically I have tested it, and that's why I am going to share the results with you. So it's important that whenever when you made any kind of expert advisor, then it should work on a smaller account. So guys, I have funded a smaller account so that I can show you people that how this works on a smaller account. It's worked perfectly fine. Okay guys, you can see that's the smaller account from my side, and that's the real Exness Real 1 server. It's not a demo account, it's a real account, and I'm going to talk about the results that we have received on a real account. Okay, let me drag it down so that I can show you here. Okay, now let's move towards the account history. Now guys, just have a look on the EA profits, that 11, 10, 7.50, 7.50, 7.50, and look at the dates. That's 10th of January 2020, and just keep looking that 7.50, 7.50, a loss occurred, and then it is balanced with a sell position, and that's 33, and then 7.50, 7.50, 7.50, and you can see consecutive profits are given by this EA to me till now. Okay, so I'm testing it further also, and you can see the results are on the screen. 7.50, 7.50, today 7.50. So it has taken so many trades today and closed it, and you can see here. Okay, you can see that's the loss, but it was recovered by the rest of the two positions that was closed at 52 and 48. This loss was recovered with this. So good thing about this EA is that, for example, let's say if it has taken a buy position in the first trade, and let's say if the market goes up, then it opened two double positions into the another direction. So it basically do some sort of hedging. It's also working on a hedging technique also. So you can see 48, 52, 7.50, 7.50, and moreover, look how many trades it has taken till today. It has taken today. That's a really amazing thing, because no EA does not take this much trades. 5, 5, 5, and then let's move back. 17 minus 9.17, 5, and go back. Okay guys, now you can see I have tested it in on gold, but it does not has given me good results on gold. Basically it was closing the trades too early. This expert advisor basically works on Euro Canadian dollar and Euro USD only. So you can see whenever I have tried to pull a trade on the trade, it has closed at 1, and then you go back, and then at one time it has provided with the 41, otherwise 0.50, 0.50. So gold testing done yesterday, you can see that was on 9th of January. It has provided me with testing. I started testing this, and Euro USD 555, and let's go back. That's the end. So if you look at the number of trades, then you can see it has taken too many trades, and it closes after smaller profits. So guys, this trading setup is very good for those people who are interested in catching the smaller profits, and because it's more about patience, and the developer says that the maximum drawdown is in between 1 to 10%. However, you know that this is forex and there are no guarantees in the forex. Okay, now look at here what happened. Basically it has opened the sell position on Euro USD here. Right from here, that was the take profit, but the market moves up. Now what happens? It has opened two buy positions on Euro USD. So in order to balance this one, it has opened two positions into the buy direction. Now guys, what will happen if Euro USD moves up? Then it means that automatically the two positions are with 0.60 lot size, 0.30 plus 0.30. This will be the two become 0.60, and when we will deduct the minus from these to if the market goes up, then if we deduct the minus of the trade that is currently going on at 43.580, then it could be in a profit, and then it will automatically close the trade once it comes back into the profit. So guys, this is how this EA is working at my end, and this EA is working very good at my end. And I am showing you again that this is a real account. This is not a demo account. So this is also working on a demo account with a smaller investment. You can also do this, but overall, guys, I recommend that you should have a good account size. But overall, if you those subscribers who are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and those who do not have much funds with them, they can go with like I think so they should fund their account with $200, and they can do with a smaller lot size with 0.30. So guys, one time again, I'm telling you about the settings here. So sorry, I cannot show it because right now because the E is attached on the chart. I will make a separate video about the settings. I have explained the setting yesterday in my the day before yesterday in my previous video. So guys, now you can see this trade is coming into the profit, and this trade is into just a minus 90. So let's see, if your USD recovers, then definitely this sell position is going to recover the profit from these two, and hopefully we will be back into the profit. Okay guys, this is all about the analysis that I have given about the expert advisor. So guys, if you are looking to get this expert advisor, then you need to contact me on email. My email info@200forexpips.com. This video is made on a special request by the subscribers who are willing that what about the testing about the CA. So I have shown it that how it is working at my end, so that I can also show you people that previously we have worked on a demo account, and we have checked it. It has worked on a demo for a couple of days, and then we have tested it on a live account too, and you can see it's working pretty fine. Okay guys, if you are looking to get this expert advisor, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators from my side, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or guys, if you want to learn to Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you are willing to learn that how I prepare my signals report, for all these inquiries, you need to send your emails on info@200forexpips.com. And guys, I hope that you must have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, then please press the like button here, and also send your inquiries on this email, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Goodbye.